If you signed up for YouTube Premium but don't want to be charged, then here's how you do it. You should first open your YouTube app or go to youtube.com. It's totally the same. Now tap the upper right corner, which you can see your profile or icon right there. Now go to purchases and membership. You can scroll down if you don't see it. After that is, if you can see right here, it is a YouTube Premium, but it has paid monthly. You should deactivate that. So either way, if you're using the free trial, it will still look like this. You should press deactivate. Now after that is that it will give you this prompt or question. Did you know you can pause? That you can temporarily step away, no problem. Pause your membership up to 6 months. You can resume it anytime. So since we're doing a cancellation, we need to continue to cancel. Press that, and you should state your reason behind why are you canceling the method, the premium plan. Then you just click cancel premium. That's it.